they set some time for Madison. I only get 1 minute, so we're going to make this quick. If you'll reach under your seats, some of you will find a prize. You'll find this. This is called Struck by Orca, and it's a wonderful book, and there's only really 3 of you who have it, so... oh, we got one! Nice, okay, there should be a couple others. But I want to tell you just about the story about probably one of the most boring parts of healthcare. How many people know what ICD-10 is? Okay, there's only a few of you, and people who are raising their hands probably work in health systems and probably work in the guts of the health system. ICD-10 is a medical billing and diagnosis code, and it's as boring as it sounds. Right now, the United States is using version 9 of this system, so we're upgrading to version 10, and it'll happen sometime eventually, maybe. And there's laughter from the people who know this because ICD-10 has been delayed a couple times now. The only thing to talk about when you start talking about ICD-10 is the lighthearted parts of it. There are almost 100,000 medical billing and diagnosis and procedure codes that are part of this code set. So me and a group of friends, a group of health IT nerds sitting around in a circle in Madison, started pulling up on our phones the funny codes that exist. And we thought it'd be fun to make a children's book out of it. So that's what this turned into. And so we call it Struck by Orca because this is an actual verbatim medical billing code. Someone may have been struck by an orca at one time, and this was the initial encounter of that. So we had this is really a story of collaboration and of community, and bringing people together who might not otherwise be together. We got artists from our community and from the wider healthcare community to contribute to the book. This is a student from a college near Madison, from Beloit College, and he contributed this really psychedelic orchestra on this town. We have activity, knitting and crocheting. So I guess someone got injured from knitting and crocheting, as depicted in Alex Conley's photo of his girlfriend here. What else do we have? Prolonged stay in a weightless environment. So what I really want to get out of these is that we can find art in some of the most mundane things, and quite literally, I think ICD-10 might be one of the most boring things in healthcare. So we'll look at a couple more of these here. Toxic effect of venom of bees, intentional self-harm, sequela. So he just has a sign that said, "Good bee, cruel world." One of my favorites, burn due to water skis on fire. That's a good one. This piece of art was done by an epic project manager from her hotel room while she was traveling. And this is what I ask you today. Find room for art in the mundane, bring artists into your lives, help them make things better, help them spread the joy of it, and find artists for me, because we're working on our second book right now. We're working on Meaningful Use Stage 2 illustrated. So that's where we're going to find us here. Thank you.